fashion app really give you a full-on fashion experience without the hassle of going to the mall, buying expensive tickets to Vogue Fashion Week, or waiting for your favorite fashion magazine to come in the mail? Are you tired of waiting for the news about your favorite and local designers? Had enough of the stale and similar selection of clothes? Have you had enough of the crowded malls? Are you as frustrated with the current crop of fashion apps on the market as we are? Then look no further. At La Mode, you can be stylish in 3D, the ultimate fashion app that meets all your needs. Consider La Mode your personal fashion assistant. Are you among the creative youth, working professional, fashion students, soccer mom, online shoppers, or professionals from the fashion industry? La Mode brings a world of fashion at every fingertip. The fashion app with 3D design technology. View your selection in 360 La Mode. Enhance your virtual shopping experience in real time by using our virtual shopping mall feature with inbuilt location-based service with Shop It Up. Order and ship your favorite fashion items straight from the store or designer right from your phones. Virtually try on the clothing using your own avatar from unlimited collection of your favorite designers. Be part of us by sketching and uploading your design with Design It Up. Access to seasonal fashion reports and daily trendy tips from our collaborative partners. Enjoy International Fashion Week through our Watch Them Walk feature that show live and recorded runway shows right on your phones. Subscribe to Editor's Choice articles from top fashion magazines with La Mode News. Become a premium user to view upcoming seasons of your favorite designers with La Designer, as well as pre-order clothing from upcoming seasons and more. All this with just a touch of our app.